Hello everyone, this is Bhamna Rathi and today I am presenting chapter 17 and 18, which is all about jitter. And that was a very interesting exercise, and I'm extremely sorry if you can hear any noise in the background. It's my fan, it's very hot over here. Okay, starting with the first exercise, which was detecting the live video, and we are using a couple of things like the swatch and the key slider. If I start my cube metro thing, it will change the video on every 30 seconds. And let me click on the open and you all can see me. Hi. So this thing is taking a video, and if I sorry, my MIDI keyboard is not connected. If I click any of the key, it will change my color to the selected preset, which is connected with a swatch. So for example, right over here it is the key number 7, we have added a 1, now it is on number the 8th preset, and we are using 3 of the bias values, which is RGB, and we are also taking an alpha because swatch text the gives the 4 digits, like it unpacks the 4 of them, and that's why we are using the other parameter, which is alpha, which is basically for the opacity. So again, if I click on any of the button, there is also the noting thing. So we have given the 12 presets, and they are synced as a pitch class values over here, so you can see 12 of them over here. That was all about in our first exercise. It was pretty simple, easy and fun to do. And if I move on to the second exercise, which was presence detection, so first thing I wanna give as a hint, maybe because I had the couple of the tough time with that thing. So it doesn't come automatically or doesn't read it itself. So whenever you are reading this thing, just go into the show file browser, and when you are reading this movie, which was the red ball one, right over here, you have to add this thing to your collection, and that will go to the sample collection. And I also have dragged that thing over here, and then when you do the read and write this command, it will look valid. Okay, so starting with that, it is just playing this movie, sorry, this red ball thing, as you can see. Okay, so over here what we are doing is that we have turned this thing into the monochrome so that we can detect its what should I say, we can detect like where it is in the matrix. We are doing two types of things over here. One is the color tracking, and sorry, we are doing only one thing over here. One is color tracking and the other one is the shade tracking. So color tracking is a bit tedious, that's why we have did as a monochromic tracking. And over here, as you can see, we have used an attribute as 4 columns and 4 rows. So whatever this matrix value is giving us, we have divided into a matrix of 16 components. Okay, and then we have also created a subpatcher, which is shed detection, which is basically this 254 and this 60 thing is our input over here, which changes with each shed detection over here. It depends what parameter we have given and what pitch class we are giving it to it. And also whenever this red ball is into this first Q JIT window, we can see the light over here blinks. Because it is selected at the one thing, like the one QR window. And so yeah, that was it. It was a very fun activity. It was a little bit tedious, and it is like you have to be very careful with this thing, but it was really fun. And also whenever you are playing this thing, you have to click either read ball, or you have to keep this thing into your window, because otherwise it will not work. It took me a while to figure out. And with that, thank you. I see you all in the class. Bye.